Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best travel luggage that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential is a top choice for travelers seeking durability, organization, and maneuverability. Crafted from ballistic nylon, it offers exceptional resistance to tears, abrasions, and punctures. The suitcase features impact-resistant corner guards and self-repairing YKK zippers, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of frequent travel. Inside, it boasts a compartment with garment straps and a built-in trifold suitor to minimize wrinkling, along with a large front pocket and mesh zip pockets for additional storage. This carry-on is designed for effortless mobility, equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels for smooth quiet gliding and shock absorption. The outsider handle, mounted externally, provides extra packing space and enables flat packing to further reduce wrinkles. The suitcase also features the patented CX expansion system, allowing a 30% increase in packing capacity with a simple push of a button. Additional conveniences include the Smart Link strap for attaching another bag, a TSA-approved lock, and a power pocket for charging devices on the go. With dimensions of 22 by 14 by 9 inches and weighing 10 pounds, this carry-on meets most U.S. domestic airline size regulations and offers 51 liters of capacity. Premium garment panels minimize clothing creases, while a foam roll bar in the trifold garment folder keeps 1 to 2 suits neat. The carry-on also includes a hideaway leather ID tag, speed-through pocket, and a cushioned top carry handle for comfort. Its classic styling, superior materials, and thoughtful features make the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential a reliable and stylish choice for frequent travelers. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside epitomizes luxury and functionality for discerning travelers. Crafted from high-density nylon with a DuraGuard coating, this suitcase is not only durable but also resists stains and abrasions, ensuring it maintains its sophisticated appearance trip after trip. The design incorporates genuine leather accents and chrome zippers, elevating its aesthetic appeal. One of its standout features is the expandable compartment, which provides an additional 2 inches of packing space when needed. This flexibility is ideal for accommodating souvenirs or last-minute items without compromising organization. Inside, a deluxe tie-down system and integrated accessory pockets keep belongings secure and easily accessible. The removable quart-size wet pocket is TSA compliant for toiletries, adding convenience during security checks. Mobility is effortless thanks to the Precision Glide system, equipped with 8 Magna track spinner wheels that align themselves for smooth maneuverability in any direction. The ergonomic power scope handle adjusts to multiple heights and features a comfortable contour grip, reducing strain during extended use. For tech-savvy travelers, the built-in USB port allows for convenient device charging, while a dedicated pocket keeps the power bank secure and compliant with FAA regulations. The drop-in suitor keeps garments wrinkle-free, catering to those who prioritize arriving with their clothes looking their best. Overall, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside combines luxury materials with practical design elements, making it an excellent choice for frequent flyers seeking both style and functionality in their travel gear. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside is a highly rated suitcase, celebrated for its durability and maneuverability. Crafted from polycarbonate, this suitcase is both strong and lightweight, ideal for withstanding the demands of travel. Its hardside construction provides excellent protection for your belongings, while the sleek modern design distinguishes it from typical suitcases. A key feature is its expandable design, which offers additional packing space when needed, enhancing its versatility for various travel needs. Equipped with double spinner wheels, the Samsonite Freeform ensures smooth 360-degree mobility, making navigation through airports effortless. It includes a TSA-approved lock, ensuring your belongings remain secure. The suitcase's dimensions 21 by 15 by 10 inches and weight 6.5 pounds maximize packing power while adhering to most carry-on size restrictions. Its ultralight, ultra-strong shells have been rigorously tested to meet stringent durability standards, guaranteeing it can endure the rigors of modern travel. The suitcase also features a push-button ergonomic handle that adjusts to different lengths, providing comfortable maneuvering for travelers of any size. With a capacity of 34 liters and an expandable zipper for additional space, it offers ample room for packing. The combination of hardside protection, expandable storage, and smooth rolling capabilities makes the Samsonite Freeform an excellent choice for travelers seeking a durable, functional, and stylish carry-on. Its high-quality materials and premium feel ensure it scores highly in all performance categories, making it a top-rated option for those looking to travel light without compromising on packing space. The Level 8 Rolling offers a compelling blend of style, durability, and functionality, making it an ideal choice for frequent travelers. Crafted from a robust 3-layer polycarbonate hard shell, this suitcase is renowned for its lightweight nature and resistance to scratches, thanks to its micro-diamond textured surface. This design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also ensures longevity by minimizing wear and tear typical of travel. Equipped with 8 silent 360-degree spinner wheels, navigating through airports and bustling streets becomes effortless. The telescoping aluminum handle features 4 adjustable height settings, providing ergonomic comfort for users of varying heights. For security, a built-in TSA-approved combination lock safeguards belongings during travel, complying with international security standards without compromising ease of access. Inside, the suitcase boasts a spacious 38-liter capacity, divided into 2 fully lined compartments with organizational pockets and a divider, facilitating neat and organized packing. Smooth gliding zippers further enhance accessibility to contents. Despite its robust construction, weighing just 7.7 pounds with dimensions of 21.5 by 14.5 by 9.2 inches, the Level 8 suitcase remains manageable even when fully packed, offering added convenience. Overall, the Level 8 Rolling stands out for its balance of durability, practicality, and aesthetic appeal. Whether for short business trips or weekend getaways, this suitcase caters to travelers seeking reliability without sacrificing style or ease of use. It's a testament to thoughtful design and quality craftsmanship, making it a favored choice among discerning globetrotters. The Luggex Luggage offers a sophisticated solution for modern travelers seeking a blend of durability, convenience, and style. Constructed from lightweight polycarbonate, these hard-shell suitcases are designed to endure the rigors of travel while remaining easy to handle. At 22 by 14 by 9 inches and weighing just 7 pounds, they meet most airline carry-on size restrictions, ensuring seamless boarding and eliminating the need for additional baggage handling. One of its standout features is the expandable compartment, which can increase packing capacity by up to 15%, accommodating extra items acquired during your journey. The suitcase is equipped with reinforced aluminum corner protectors, safeguarding belongings from impact damage, and burst-free zippers that adhere to YKK standards for enhanced durability. Inside, the organized interior space includes additional compartments for tidy item separation, ensuring everything stays in place throughout your travels. Maneuverability is a key advantage thanks to its 360-degree spinner wheels, enabling effortless navigation through airports and crowded streets. Style options range from classic to vibrant colors, appealing to diverse tastes while maintaining a sleek modern look. Security is also prioritized with a TSA-approved lock and practical features such as a built-in USB port for convenient device charging on the go. Overall, the Luggex Luggage combines practicality with elegance, making it an ideal choice for travelers who value versatility and reliability in their luggage.